Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you the unboxing and review of Bluetooth Airdopes 131. So this is that one. So before going to start the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So let's get started. So friends, let's open this box now. Yes, opening this box. So this is Bluetooth Airdopes Get Set Play. So now we're opening the cover. Opening the seal. So let's check what is the inside the box. So slowly opening the box. Yeah, it's very tough. Yes. Now we open the box. Now we can see the Bluetooth AirPods inside the box. So let's check what is there inside the box also. So what is this? Yeah, this is a connector. So we have to connect it with our laptop or charger, that is. So we have both. So let's see, we have two Airdopes inside it. Let's open this one. We got it. So this is not magnetic. So we can see the blinking of the lights, blue light and red light. So we want to switch on the Bluetooth. We have to press for 1 or 2 seconds, long press, so it will be activated. And so for connecting the Bluetooth with the mobile phone, within 2-3 seconds it's connecting. So this is warranty card, 1 year warranty card. We got it, 1 year warranty. Friends, so after using for 3 weeks I am giving this review. So if you want to on this, we have to give a long press here, so it will on. So it will show like blue light and red light blinking. So this indicates that it's on, and it will connect to mobile within few seconds. So if you want off this, if you press long press, it will off. So it's off. So friends, my opinion on this AirPods is that this is very good option at this price. So when we talk about pros and cons, so let's talk about pros. So in the pros, the build quality is good and sleek, good design, and it has a good color. I think this matte blue, very nice color. It has clear sound and lightweight, and it is a branded Bluetooth. When we talk about the battery life and battery backup, I charged it full and used it for 3 days. So it's giving 3 days, or it will give more also. So when we talk about cons, low burst, hot while pressing the multifunctional button. So when we just press hardly, sometimes it will hurt our ear, and also feels like uncomfortable when we are using for the first time in the ears, and it will get hurt also sometimes, and you will feel uncomfortable also. Sometimes it not fits in the ear. It may fall down frequently while running or jumping, so we have to look carefully. So for the first time when I use this one, it fall down from my ear. So if you see this one, it has C-type charger cable. When it comes to the Bluetooth range, it has a good range. I checked it, and from second floor to first floor we can hear perfectly. Last but not least, the product is best product in the price range.